Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today we are going to solve this problem of root 9 raised to the power of 3 plus 9 raised to the power of 3 plus 9 raised to the power of 3. We say solution root of 9 raised to the power of 3 plus 9 raised to the power of 3 plus 9 raised to the power of 3. We have to factorize this. If we factorize, it will give us 9 raised to the power of 3 is in 3 places, meaning 3 times 9 raised to the power of 3. Root of 3 times 9 raised to the power of 3. This we can equally express this to be 3 times 9. This 9 will change to 3 raised to the power of 2. We express 9 in base 3, which changes 3 raised to the power of 2 all raised to the power of 3. Then we move further. This is the same thing as root 3 times 3 raised to the power. We times the power. We have law of indices that says a raised to the power of m times n is the same thing as a m n. So in this case, this will change to 2 times 3 will give us 6. Then we move further. We have root of 3 raised to the power of 1 times 3 raised to the power of 6. And this will give us 3. We have law of indices that says that a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n is equal to a raised to the power of m plus n. If that be, we have common base. This will change to 1 plus 6. We have root of 3 raised to the power of 7. We still have another law of indices that states that square root of a is the same thing as a raised to the power of half. If this holds, so this will change to 3 raised to the power of 7 or raised to the power of half. Times the power, as the law says, a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n is equals to a raised to the power of mn. If we times the power, we are going to have 3 raised to the power of 7 over 2. Therefore, we go back to the question, which says we should express in form of this. Then, if we take it back, we have a raised to the power of x over y is equals to 3 raised to the power of 7 over 2, where a is equals to 3, x is equals to 7, and y is equals to 2. If this helped you, please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks.